streaming again. Let's see. Okay, does it work now? Hello, we are live again. Okay, looks like this is a new stream now. OBS crashed. That's why this is a new stream. Today I'm streaming a lot. We are streaming all the time.
I think this should work. Okay.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber. Freeman, you fool! I'm run git pull. Freeman, you fool. Nothing.
Godot.
Let's see. How are our issues?
Wait, how did this get back in here? What the hell? No, this should leave. Thanks.
Some code is sneaking
The
in.
old color code somehow sneaked back in the merge conflict, so I broke it back out. There we go.
Oh,
And
yeah.
now I'm gonna test if this works. Let's run 2 instances. And yeah, there. Host and connect. And shoot. Okay. Right. I have pushed.
Nice. I will pull now. Again. I've got some changes in main GD.
Yeah.
Reloading. Shit. I think I should have committed my changes. Okay, I will... Did it really update? I'm gonna reload the project. This is suspicious.
Okay, I found the bug and I fixed it, so...
So I'll
Let
be
me
pulling
push it.
again.
I have pushed again.
I have pulled. Let's try and run it. I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Yep.
Okay, are you hosting?
Yep, I am hosting.
Alright. Connecting.
Oh, I'm getting an error.
Oh, something
in the create player. Wait, I'm getting an assert that is not. What the hell? And both of my sessions got an error.
What's the assert? What is the assertion? Oh. Oh. Connection failed.
I think that maybe it failed because I was in the third-person camera of another player. And the error occurred in create player.
We could... I think it would be good to switch to a level default camera anyway when you die.
Yeah, but that still is not compatible with this code. I think this is bad coding. I mean, the camera of the player should not automatically be the main camera. That should only be set to the main camera when the player is the current player joining the game being added.
The problem is, it's kind of... I don't know a way to, like, manage this better than just to... Once you add any camera to the scene, just reset the camera you want to be the active camera, because it's like if you instantiate a scene that has a camera that has active property checked as true, it's just gonna replace your active camera.
Yeah.
So in create player,
but yeah, it should.
It checks
It
if
should
that's
be
a
in the
local...
ready function. In the ready function of player, it should check if the player being added is the player is the local player, and if that's the case, it should make its own camera the current camera, and otherwise it shouldn't do anything. Because currently, when a player is created, then even if it's not the local camera, it still tries to set. It will try to instead set the camera to the local player. However, if the local player has just been killed, then the local player is a freed instance, so you can't set the camera there, so an error occurs. Right?
Okay, so in player ready, we should check if we are network authority and then set the camera as active or not, I guess.
But isn't that what we already do?
No.
Because it's just, I think that it's just this bit that should be removed, right?
I don't see which bit.
I just sent you a screenshot on Discord.
Yeah.
That bit should be removed because that is causing trouble. Because local player does not have to be a instance that is in the tree. Because it can be freed when the player is killed.
Yeah.
So
that could cause problems.
Is a bad idea. This causes no, it doesn't. Couldn't just cause problems. It just caused problems. This was the reason why it failed.
Okay, so I can add this code to player instead.
It's over. Oh wait, it's a main. Why is this a main? What the hell?
Because
I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna do some tests. I'm gonna work on this.
I can add this code to the player because I already know where it should go.
And do you want to work on it?
Yeah, I can do this.
Okay, then I'll leave it up to you. Good luck to you.
Kong Fury.
He's the most powerful hacker of all time. By the way, do you know One Punch Man?
I know it exists. I even saw some analyses.
It is, at least to me, it had a bit of the same feeling as Kung Fury. Like it is about the same level of over the topness and maybe even more. I really like it.
Over the topity.
Yeah.
Oh, it's called current. Ah, all right.
I'm going to be right back.
All right. Create player. Yep. So let's just remove the code about camera switching and leave it to the player. Just what server am I running on? Of course.
Oh, I am here.
Hey, are you hosting by any means?
Oh, I can host if you want.
Nah. I'm good. I already hosted locally. Ah, shit. Just as
Something
I
went wrong?
expect. Yeah.
Oh,
Totally. It just didn't work.
that sounds like programming. What's happening?
I don't know. Watch the stream. I can't describe this.
Okay, okay.
Oh, sorry. I need to send you a new link. Because, yeah, I keep making new streams.
Yeah, stop it.
Cut it out! Calm down, man.
Erik, doe rustig.
Something didn't quite... Okay, I think I'll remove this backpack camera. I used it to debug movement. It was very useful for that. But
I'm just seeing what happens on the stream. Wow.
you saw that?
Yeah, it's like it forgot that gravity was a thing, but it still applied
Yeah.
the other physics.
What was going on?
I don't know.
I think it just got, you know, a single packet of... What the hell?
Something happened again, or?
Yeah,
Oh.
Oh, this guy respawned. But that guy didn't recover. Never. Oh, he dead now. Is gonna respawn or... Oh. Shit. Okay, no, managing cameras this way doesn't work. I don't think it works. Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens if I set the player's camera to not active by default. All right, at least now. Okay, it still crashes the game when I kill somebody. Supposedly they respawned. Oh, they are. Ah, they are just dead. Okay, I'm not sure what happens. Okay, I'm trying to call a player update on a player that does not exist. Oh, that's your code.
Is that my code?
It's your code.
Could you share your screen so I can see?
Yeah. Or I can just send you a screenshot.
That's also an option.
Yeah, I'm just gonna screenshot this for you. You are trying to send update to a player scene that does not work. You see, the problem is, it's not the player scene that should hold this information. It should be the main object on the client, on the peer the player belongs to, because we're destroying and respawning the player's scene.
Okay, yeah.
So if you hold this info on the player's scene, it gets lost if you kill the player.
I get it.
That's why
Yep.
all the info is held on the main in the main script.
Yeah. Okay.
I can push my camera bullshit because it's not what makes the problems. So maybe my code is working with the cameras. It just it trips up on this thing.
Okay.
Camera bullshit. Why am I seeing some... Okay, I'm not committing main GT because I didn't do anything there. But I see, like, some very weird things. Oh, wait. It did some changes. What the hell? I'm gonna share my screen. I don't understand this. Do you see my screen? It shows changes I have uncommitted changes to main.gd, and there's changes that I did, which is swapped my hosting address. That's okay. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. But then it shows changes that you did. Received player info. Or didn't. Player update.
Oh, then maybe you
What the hell?
accidentally saved after you pulled. You should stash this file. Because I think that you accidentally had this file in Godot and saved it while you were pulling or something like that.
Okay, the
So
actual...
I think you effectively undid a lot of the stuff that I did.
That's crap. I'm not gonna commit this file.
Please don't. No.
The only meaningful changes is commenting out all the lines about cameras in the...
Okay, yeah.
So that's easy to yeah. I'm gonna reset that file and just... Okay, Yep.
So maybe it was just the fact that you didn't have the right code on your end.
Maybe, but if it shows changes, that means it understood your changes and then like wanted me to I don't know, some weird thing. This happens again.
What it did was you had your local version, you pulled my version, but in the editor it still had your local version, and then you saved in the editor. I think that's what happened. So then your local version again has overwritten my version that you pulled from me. And then Git saw that and thought, oh, you have changed all these things back to how they were.
Yeah.
So these are new changes that basically just turn back everything that you did.
Okay, I've committed the good changes.
Good. Okay, thanks.
I will reset the main GD and then I'll actually do the changes I wanted, not the changes I didn't want.
Yeah.
Interesting. There isn't a function to reset or reload a file. want the guy. I wonder if I can commit my changes selectively. I should be able to do that. Because I... What? Okay, I don't want a virtual machine. I don't know why git reset doesn't reset this file. I'm gonna do it from the file manager.
Git reset -f.
I'm a bit worried about that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see now. Okay, that doesn't... It doesn't do anything. What in the world? Oh, wait, now there is no difference. So it worked. Alright. Looks like Godot sometimes has trouble realizing that files have changed on disk. Which is problematic.
Yes. Pretty much problem.
Alright. Now I see. Now I have the state of the